Welcome to this peaceful evening meditation to help you relax, connect with your desires, and drift into sleep while aligning with your dream reality. Before we begin, make sure you're in a quiet, comfortable space where you can fully unwind. You can either sit upright or lay down, whatever feels comfortable for you. Close your eyes gently and let yourself arrive here at this moment. You are safe, you are supported, you are ready to receive. Let's begin by tuning into your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, take a slow, big, deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly. Start to feel your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Allow your shoulders to drop and unclench your jaw. Take another slow, deep inhale and gentle exhale, releasing everything from today. Let yourself become lighter and lighter with each breath. You're slowly becoming more still and more present. Let go of anything from today that doesn't need to follow you into your dream space, because you are safe to surrender here at this moment. Now I want you to imagine the soft glow of the moon shining down onto you. Feel its light gently touching the top of your head, soothing, calm, and cool. Let that moonlight move down your face, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, and your cheeks. Let it float down your neck, shoulders, arms, and all the way down to your fingertips. Feel it soften your chest, your stomach, hips, flowing down through your legs, knees, ankles, all the way to your toes. Now your whole body is glowing with soft lunar light. You are now fully connected to the moon, to the stars, to the infinite universe. You are now held by something greater. Feel the calming energy all throughout your body. Now I want you to start to imagine your body slowly starting to rise, floating up and out of your room into the night sky, past the clouds, into the stars, and finally arriving in a peaceful, cosmic space where anything is possible. This is your dream dimension. Here, you are limitless. Here, you already have every single thing you desire. And here, you are going to visualize your dream life. Focus on one thing you want to manifest. One clear, specific, beautiful desire. It can be anything. A place you want to live, a career you love, maybe a relationship that fills you, financial freedom, radiant health, or maybe deep peace. Whatever it is, step into that reality now. Look around you. What do you see? What do you feel? What are you celebrating? To go even deeper into this reality, use all of your 5 senses to bring it to life. What do you see around you with your eyes? What sounds can you hear with your ears? What do you smell in the air with your nose? What can you touch or feel with your hands? What does it taste like to be here with your mouth? Hold that vision. Feel it deep in your body. Know you are here. You are already living it. As you float in this dream version of your reality, repeat this mantra quietly in your mind. My dream life is here now. My dream life is here now. My dream life is here now. I want you to stay here for a little while, in your dream, fully feeling it. Let the gentle sounds guide you inward as you continue to visualize and repeat this for a few moments. Keep your vision high in your mind, knowing it is already yours. Now gently begin to return back to your physical body. Feel your fingers, wiggle around your toes. Feel your chest rising and falling with each soft breath. You can stay here relaxed and open, or gently drift into a peaceful sleep. Your vision is now in your heart, and you can carry it into your dreams because it is already done It is already yours. I love you. Thank you for being here. Have the most relaxing, peaceful sleep and stay unforgettable.